to Ritgut's Universe. Today we're gonna make sparkling crystals with only borax powder and hot water. Remember to not do it alone and do it of presence of any parent or adult. And I'm doing it with my mom, so let's get started. As you can see, this is borax, and if you don't have it in your home, you can go at any grocery store and in the laundry section, you could find borax. So my mom poured the hot water inside the bowl, and I'm gonna get some borax. I'm gonna put the borax in So let me mix it a little bit more because I'm not really sure if it's really good. But it's still, I think so it's enough mixing. And let me just put the green food coloring now. Now let me put 3 drops. 2, 3. Let me, I want to make it a little darker, so I'm going to put a little bit more green. 1, 2, yeah, that's good. Now I think so it's enough too for the green. Now, as you could see, we have different shapes, like this person and a random shape. So I'm going to put the flower in it. So I'm going to put it. So time for the next shape. We have 2 solutions in the glasses and 2 solutions in the balls. And these flowers we're going to put in the ball. And just to let you know, these are artificial flowers. So this is a stick figure and this is an imaginary shape. So we're going to put the stick figure and the imaginary shape in these cups and the flowers in these cups. And for the white one, we're going to put some color, and this we don't need because it's already colored. So for this, I'm going to put this in this glass and this in this glass. So for this, I'm going to put green color, and for this, I'm going to put red color. So now I'm going to put this in it. Now I'm going to put some yellow food coloring. Now I'm putting the flowers. Now, when they're ready to turn into sparkling crystals in 15 to 12 hours. It's 12 hours completed, so now let's see our crystals. Wow! Wow! So sparkly! See how sparkly it is. Now let me put it to dry so it could get more sparkly. Now let's see how the red one did. Wow, so sparkly. So now we're gonna just put it on this tissue paper. Then we're gonna show you from closely. Now, time for the person. This is how the person did. It is still a little bit sparkly, but didn't turn that much like crystals. So now we're gonna see after it dries. Now I'm gonna see the flower. Wow, it's so crystal. Let me put it here. Other one. Nothing happened that much. It did a little bit, but didn't do that much. Now I'm going to show closely. Look at it. It's so nice and sparkly. Look how it is. Then show the bottom. This looks like snow. This it looks quite more clear, the sparkles and the crystals, but in this, you could see them, but they're a lot. And in here, you could see them better instead of. Now I'll show you the flower. Look. You could see it's so nice. Look at it shine. Look at it from the inside. It's quite nice, right? Now it's nothing. But here, very, very good. Now you know how to make crystals at home. Our videos will come every week with new stuff like activities, science experiments, and more. And if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.